Hi, another day, another surgery. So our case for today is brachioplasty or yung arm lift. No? Yung may saging na fats and skin here sa arm. I'm going to lift it para makapag-sleeveless, no? Yung patient natin. So we're going to do liposuction, then remove some of the skin and the fats, then we'll reinforce it. So actually we have two cases today. The other one is silicone rhinoplasty. So we're going to show you the procedure later. No? So I'd like to thank, siyempre may pasasalamatan tayo. I'd like to thank Mr. Ron Destinticman for my shirt. Thank you, paring Ron. I love you, mama, chup chup. No? Okay, that's it. Another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. Tag Heuer, Solograph. See you at the OR. Hi, I'm done doing the brachioplasty. No, yung arm lift. No, yung nakalaylay na ganyan. So I did the brachioplasty. I lifted it. But first I did the liposuction. No, sinaction muna natin kasi malaki yung lateral, yung gilid, pati dito sa ilalim. So I did liposuction. Then after that, yung arm lift. No? So ito na yung ating outcome, no? We will see her after a week. Papakita muna natin yan. Ang ano lang po with the arm lift is the scar. So, medyo mahaba yung scar niyan. Although I explained it to the patient na magkakaroon talaga ng scar. No? Pero, mas maganda po yung scar kaysa dun sa nakalaylay dito na sobrang fats and skin. No? So, I also use the machine, new machine of that I got from Skin Medicine. No? Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with silicone rhinoplasty, the basic of rhinoplasty. So I carved the implant preoperative, pero kanina nagbawas din ako. Intraop kasi medyo mahaba. And now it's okay from the radix to the tip. Then I did the alar trimming and overhang correction. No? Inangat natin yung alar lift. Then the baba flap for the alar trimming. No? Para bumalik yung natural na bilog ng kanyang ala. No? So I will see her after a week. Another day, another surgery.